What do you think?
It's really cool.
It's really cool. Let me see. Oh! Y'all go down. Let me see you on your sled.
Okay.
What's this? Maybe you're... They're running with it.
Maybe this is not steep enough. Maybe we should go over there. I just have never been over here.
This is hysterical. Bless their heart. Make a snow angel! Let's make a snowman!
Okay.
Look at him. So fun. Really? Yeah, it's still snowing. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I mean, it's pretty thick. We went out and played and